Wonderful. Still here at the 15th Annual ACG New York Healthcare Conference, an event that's welcomed more than 450 payers, providers, private equity, strategics, independent sponsors, bankers, not just sponsor coverage, but of course, healthcare coverage. A lot of buyers and sellers, and you meet so many great people at such events. And one is Devrim that I met today, who I'm so pleased to have met.
Thank you for having us, Vic.
No, thank you so much. I wanted to find out a little bit more about yourself, sir, and your firm, and all the things that you've done in prelude to where you're at now, because you've got such an eclectic and amazing background. So over to you.
Thank you. We appreciate that. Well, Innox is a Polish-American venture that is very much focused on development of orphan drugs. And orphan drugs, in a nutshell, is defined as drugs that are developed for diseases where there are less than 200,000 patients affected.
Wow.
It's rather considered to be rare disease, and the fact that it is rare, not many companies are interested in developing drugs for this type of diseases or indications. It is our pleasure to be able to develop drugs for these rare diseases, and specifically the first drug candidate that we are developing is a rather very resistant leukemia. And the concept that we are exploring and that we have explored in preclinical research, now we are actually coming to clinical phase, is these multiple pathways that are overlapping between cancer and neurodegenerative diseases.
Wow. Yeah.
And we have designed a drug that consists of multiple molecules that actually is able to target multiple pathways to be able to show the efficacy that we are looking for in this type of very resistant, complex disease. And we are very proud of the fact that we were able to successfully go through the preclinical phase and finally got to clinical stage, which is why we are here at your conference today.
No, and I'm so glad for it. I mean, what you're doing, the endeavor is so selfless and commendable. Right. But what's your journey been, your personal journey to get you to this firm and what you're doing with it?
I am a Hoffmann-La Roche-trained pharmaceutical executive.
Right.
And having been now, this is going to be my fourth biotech venture that I'm actually taking a lead on. We are a rather unique company. What we did very different, Vic, is we injected quality rather early in the drug development space and set up our own pilot manufacturing sites and quality lab in Białystok, Poland. And many biotech companies do not invest in the quality of the product early in the process. They actually try to worry about later in the drug development process, which then becomes an issue with the regulatory authorities on the CMC side, chemistry manufacturing control. That's where you won't believe that a lot of good products died in the hands of regulatory agencies before they got approved.
Yeah.
So we are trying to overcome that challenge, potential challenge, early in the drug development process, which is what we are about.
Well, on so many levels, it's a noble endeavor that you're going through, and I wish you all the success with it. Such are the conversations we're having at this event, it's an international crowd, and we've never had so many folks from outside of North America attend such an event. Look, Devrim, I wish you well, sir. I think it's fantastic what you're doing.
Thank you so much for having us. This is an excellent meeting. Kudos goes to you. All the credit. Very well done. Wonderful meeting.
Well, that's a nice note to end on. Thank you very much.
Thank you.